In this Heygen review, I want to share with you exactly what Heygen is, everything about the particular platform, show you what it actually does, plus give you my honest opinions about it. So if you're someone thinking about getting started, hopefully this is going to answer all of the questions you might have. And just before we get into it, if you haven't yet got Heygen and you're thinking about it, I've also left my referral link in the description. So if you want to help support my channel, make sure you use that. I've also got an AI school community. So if you want to use AI more in your business, if you want some actionable steps, make sure you check that out also. Both of those links down in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, first of all, if you don't know what Heygen is, basically it's an AI avatar video generator. What does it mean in English? Basically, it creates videos using AI people. So if you have some text that you want it to speak, you can put it inside of the video generator. You can choose which avatar you want to say, and you also can choose the language and the tone from different AI voices that they've created to create this type of video. Now, this is perfect if you're someone that wants to create videos, but you don't like being in front of camera. Maybe you speak a different language, but you want to speak in specific languages. Whatever the use case may be, this is an insane way to actually create video content. The cool thing about it too is it's becoming extremely affordable. So let's quickly go into pricing while we're talking about it. Now, there are quite a few new video generation platforms with AIs coming out. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorites still. We'll quickly go over the different pricing. First of all, we've got free. This is $0 a month, basically to test it out. You can have 3 videos per month, 720p export quality, and you can also have the Heygen watermark basically on it. Now, you're not going to really use these 3 videos. It's more of just a tester into the platform. If you like it, you'd want to upgrade to the creator plan, and this is probably where most people are going to sit. For $29 a month, you can create unlimited videos up to 30 minutes long at 1080p, which is perfect for all social media as well as things like YouTube. You probably will never outgrow this particular plan. If you do though, there's also a team where you can add more people, 4K and so forth. So this platform, it used to be quite a bit more expensive, but now they've reduced the price as there's more competition out there. AI costs are coming down. So an absolute steal for what you're actually getting. So what I'm going to do right now is log into my account and show you around. So this is my dashboard. Inside here is where you can actually create everything. So on the left, we've got home projects templates. You can basically create templates if you use them over and over again. We also have avatars and AI voices, and you can do things like branding too. We're going to focus first of all on the avatars. Now, if you wanted to use the pre-created avatars, not one of yourself, you can come inside here. We've got a few different types of avatars you can use. We've got professional settings, we've got lifestyle. They have backgrounds and things like that, UGC, AI generated, and also community vibes as well. So there's plenty to choose from inside of here, and a lot of these are real people that have allowed basically Heygen to use their platform. If you did want to go to that next level as well, you can also create an avatar of yourself. Now, this whole process takes less than 10 minutes, and you can clone your voice as well as clone yourself. You, of course, only have access to your own avatar. No one else has access to yours. I believe you can have some sort of program where you can actually get paid if other people use yours, but you don't have to worry about that. No one else can use your avatar, and you have the only consent to use it as well. So it's pretty cool. If you wanted to say just use a regular avatar, we can just go and click create video. We'll choose an avatar video. You can choose portrait or landscape. So we'll go landscape. On the left, we've got avatars, and you just come down here, choose the one you want to use. So I'm just going to choose this guy, Conrad. He looks pretty cool. Inside of, you can choose the variation, sorry. So I'm going to choose the sofa one. Go to script. Inside here, I'm just going to say, hey, my name is Phil, and this is what I like this is what I look like if I was an AI, something like that. Okay. And obviously you want to put more in there. We can also choose the voice. We've got plenty of different voices inside of here. Also many different languages inside of here as well. So choose the one that you want to use. There's more than enough to go through. And you can also, filter by different accents as well. So different languages, accents, and things like that. So choose the one you want, type in the text you want, and then you can just simply go submit. Name your video. So I'm just going to call this YouTube Demo 32. And click submit. Okay, and just a few minutes, this is going to be published. Okay, so that took about a minute to complete. If we go ahead and click on it now, You can come to the editing tab. You can go ahead and add in captions if you want. You can also add in bits and pieces like translating it to different languages. You can actually edit the screen too if you want to share it with other people. But let's go ahead and press play and see what it sounds like.
Hey, my name is Phil, and this is what I look like if I was an AI.
Okay, so that sounds pretty cool. I'll download this so you can hear the quality better. But that's it. Now, the cool thing about this is that same effort is for basically any type of video you create in here. All you need is a script, choose the avatar you want to use, choose the voice you want to use, and then basically publish. It's literally as simple as that. And once you go to avatars and you create your own avatar, you just have to upload 2 minutes of talking to the camera. Same thing with AI voice, 2 minutes talking to the camera, and then you've got your own AI clone. Imagine how much content you could build out. Now, this is perfect if you have, say, a SaaS platform that you want to have tutorials for. Could be for something like an online course. If you don't want to go ahead and actually write out the whole thing, speak out or film the whole thing, you can just type it out and then it's going to create the avatar for you. I'm personally going to be using it for things like short form content. I believe this is an absolute game changer. As soon as you get an idea, you can just punch it in, create a video within a minute, and basically you're good to go. And they actually also have an Heygen phone app now, so you can create videos on the fly from your phone as well. Absolutely nuts. Now, if you want to take it one step further, if you're someone that just absolutely loves automations, they also have an API. If you don't know what that is, then disregard this next little bit. But you can integrate many different platforms with Heygen as well. So what that basically means is you can now have automations that automatically trigger video generations based on different things, and it can automatically output the video for you. So you can automate video creation through crazy amounts of automations, and I'll talk about that later on inside of this channel. But I'm absolutely thrilled with Heygen. Honestly, for the price you're paying, $29 a month, unlimited videos at 1080p, this thing is an absolute steal. If creating content is literally holding you back, then there's no better platform to use than Heygen to get off the ground and actually start making some tracks. So that's it for my Heygen review. If you like this video, make sure you smash thumbs up button. If you haven't yet got Heygen, make sure you use that referral link in the description. You'll be helping support the channel. And if you want to join my AI community, make sure you use the link down there as well. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.